In a world where innovation rarely sleeps, DJI seems ready to awaken the drone industry once again with its highly anticipated Mini 5 Pro. Leaks, speculation, and subtle glimpses from teaser footage have ignited excitement among enthusiasts and professionals alike. But this isn't just another annual iteration, it's shaping up to be a transformative release that could redefine what's possible in the realm of ultra-portable aerial tech. From aerodynamic improvements to enhanced imaging capabilities, extended flight time, and groundbreaking usability features, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks set to dominate 2025's drone conversation. Whether you're a content creator, an outdoor adventurer, or simply someone who enjoys the freedom of flight, this upcoming release may check all the boxes and, then some. Let's unpack everything that's been swirling around the DJI Mini 5 Pro and paint a full picture of what could be the most advanced compact drone ever produced. A bold new direction in design. Early glimpses of the DJI Mini 5 Pro suggest a sleeker, more refined aesthetic. The design hints at a philosophy that prioritizes both performance and usability. At first glance, the drone appears to have shed some of the bulk found in earlier models, particularly around the propeller mounts. Foldable propellers are now the norm rather than the exception. These contribute not just to convenience during transport, but also to improved flight characteristics. Fold-out designs allow faster setup, making it easier for creators to launch their drone quickly and capture spontaneous moments. More tellingly, vented motors appear to be part of the equation, an indication that DJI is focusing on thermal performance as well. This subtle shift could mean improved cooling during long flights, translating to more consistent reliability in hot environments or intense shooting sessions. Aerodynamics that work with you, not against you. Flying a drone in rugged outdoor environments where the wind often works against you can be daunting. DJI may be addressing this with a reshaped body that embraces streamlined airflow management, creating more stability in wind and reducing drag overall. The motors themselves are likely stronger and more responsive, giving the Mini 5 Pro the ability to accelerate quickly, maintain altitude more consistently, and react swiftly to user input. If you're flying over mountain ranges, coastal cliffs, or urban skyscrapers, this added control is invaluable. An imaging revolution. On-inch sensor power. One of the most significant rumored upgrades is a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a dramatic leap in imaging technology for a drone of this size. For context, the sensor size determines how much light the camera can absorb. A larger sensor improves clarity, enhances low-light performance, and delivers a shallower depth of field, perfect for cinematic storytelling. This upgrade means that golden hour shots will pop with vibrant contrast, while overcast days will still produce crisp, noise-free images. Such a sensor positions the Mini 5 Pro not just as a casual flyer but as a legitimate tool for professional content creation. Filmmakers, vloggers, and photographers who previously had to lug larger drones to get stunning footage can now do so with a unit that fits in a small backpack. Game-changing flight time, up to 55 minutes perhaps. The most impressive and, certainly, most practical rumor is the enormous battery capacity. With a possible 4,680 mAh cell on board, the Mini 5 Pro could stay airborne for up to 55 minutes, nearly doubling what users have come to expect from sub-250G drones. For drone operators, this is revolutionary. Extended flight time offers greater creative freedom, reduces the need to carry multiple batteries, and lets you focus on framing shots rather than rushing to land. It's a feature that may transform aerial storytelling workflows, especially for those capturing long sequences or chasing wildlife. Additionally, faster charging technology is said to be included. This would allow creators to recharge between location hops, enabling continuous shooting throughout a full day of work or travel. Smart storage, built-in memory option storage, is always a pain point for drone users. Whether it's forgetting an SD card or running out of space mid-shoot, storage mishaps can ruin a flight session. DJI seems to be answering this by potentially offering built-in internal storage, rumored at 32 gigabytes. While it won't replace high-speed UHS-SD cards for serious work, this internal space could act as a critical fallback. It ensures you never lose that spontaneous perfect shot due to a missing or corrupted memory card. Next-generation control options. Control methods for drones have evolved rapidly, and DJI appears to be bringing the best of these advances to the Mini 5 Pro. Compatibility with advanced DJI controllers, including models with integrated displays, may allow for greater autonomy and simplicity. There are also reports of motion controller and FPV goggle support. Imagine flying a drone using intuitive gestures while viewing the world from a first-person perspective. The thrill of FPV flight, previously the realm of custom racing drones, could soon be available in a ready-to-fly compact platform. 360-degree camera control. And other headline feature being whispered in tech circles is 360-degree camera rotation, giving pilots full control over the gimbal's yaw. This means more dramatic shots, seamless pans, spins, and follow-throughs that mimic dolly shots and professional rigs. And it could all happen with a flick of a joystick. This cinematic flexibility, paired with a large sensor and long flight time, positions the Mini 5 Pro as a serious filmmaking tool rather than a hobbyist gadget. Smarter, safer flights for many. Safety is the make-or-break feature in drone tech. DJI seems to understand this, and the Mini 5 Pro may feature advanced infrared obstacle detection, capable of sensing hazards up to 25 meters away. This is a huge win in urban, wooded, or obstacle-rich environments. Better obstacle detection means fewer crashes, more confident pilots, and longer drone lifespans. Propeller redesign. No tools. No hassle. DJI may also be ditching screws for quick swap propeller mounts. That small upgrade has a big impact. Setup time shrinks. Prop changes become faster and more accessible, and field repairs are far less frustrating. These small touches point toward a user-first mindset, prioritizing functionality without sacrificing sophistication. Voice commands and audio recording. Among the most futuristic-sounding features is possible voice command support. Imagine speaking instructions like take off or return home instead of fumbling with a remote. This hands-free control is ideal for solo operators or creators who multitask during shoots. Additionally, audio syncing could let users capture ambient sound or record real-time narration that syncs with their aerial footage. For vloggers and documentarians, this could change how they build storytelling experiences in post-production. Dedicated flight mode button. A rumored physical flight mode toggle button would allow immediate switching between cinematic, sport, and manual flight styles. This might seem minor, but in fast-paced environments, say, tracking a moving vehicle or filming dynamic events, speed matters. Avoiding the menu dive keeps you focused on the shot. And DJI seems to be prioritizing real-time creativity over interface clutter. Release date and pricing outlook. According to most leaks, DJI may officially unveil the Mini 5 Pro around August 7, 2025. With broader availability by September, pricing is expected to be competitive, starting near $850 for the base unit, with a Fly More combo version pushing it to $1,100. That may sound like a premium for a sub-250G drone, but compared to larger models with similar capabilities, it's a value-packed offering, especially when factoring in portability, intelligent features, and top-tier camera performance. What this means for the industry: the DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just another product. It represents a new phase in drone development, where once consumers had to choose between power and portability, DJI is attempting to offer both. A drone that's powerful, intelligent, and cinematic, but still under 250 grams, could shift the market and raise the bar for competitors. It challenges the notion that bigger is better and redefines what a travel-friendly drone can accomplish. Whether it's for solo filmmakers, adventure sports creators, real estate professionals, or drone journalists, the Mini 5 Pro may become the go-to tool for on-the-go aerial content creation. Final thoughts. A new era of creativity takes flight. DJI appears to be approaching the Mini 5 Pro with the seriousness of a flagship release. The rumored features, many of which would have seemed implausible in such a compact body just a few years ago, point toward a product that doesn't compromise. With its powerful camera, robust flight time, user-friendly design, and intelligent automation, the DJI Mini 5 Pro has the potential to change how creators think about drones. It's not just for professionals. It's for anyone who wants to tell better stories from the sky. The future of aerial creativity is compact, efficient, and incredibly exciting, and it might just be called the DJI Mini 5 Pro.